Hello friends. If you want bright pots of anthuriums, flowers that bloom all year round, cool leaves and plants that are always full of vitality, today I will share an extremely simple breeding method. Anyone can do it. It's not complicated, but the effectiveness is extremely surprising. With just a few gentle steps, you will see your anthurium grow strongly, bloom continuously, and the garden corner becomes greener and more beautiful. Now, we will enter the stage of nursery and propagation of anthurium trees in order to maintain a healthy and bright garden. After the flowering period, when the plant is stabilized and the leaves are still green, this is the ideal time to choose flowers and propagate. First, we will choose a very healthy flower that has passed its blooming period and is about to wither. Prioritize old, discolored flowers, because all the nutrients and biological energy are now concentrated in flower stems and tissues. These are favorable conditions to stimulate the formation of sprouts and seedlings. Choosing dead but healthy flowers helps ensure that the nutrients stored in the remaining flowers will serve the maximum during the nursery, bud stimulation and regeneration process. As soon as we have chosen the right cotton, we will take the next steps to start the process of propagating anthurium naturally, effectively, and sustainably. Then, prepare a sharp razor blade and clean it. Place the knife from the flower stem, measure about 3 to 5 centimeters, and then cut a very sharp line. Note: the operation must be precise. Do not crush the branch tissue, because crushing will slow the recovery of the cut and reduce the ability to germinate. Next, we will prepare ingredients to make a solution to support rooting and grow anthurium flower branches. Here, I used an aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera contains many natural nutrients, including vitamin C, minerals, and biological mucus that can restore plant tissue, help branches quickly root, prevent drying, and regenerate cells very well. First, we use a clean, sharp knife to cut the aloe vera leaf. We should choose the thickest, most succulent part of the leaf. Then, we separate the gel inside. Next, we take aloe vera gel and apply it evenly on the surface of the cut and the entire body of the anthurium flower branch. Aloe vera gel will penetrate into plant tissue, retain moisture, supplement minerals, and act as a natural growth stimulant, helping branches stay fresh for a long time and facilitate the formation of new roots. After application, the gel will slowly penetrate the branch's capillary system, supporting the recovery and development process. Next, we prepare the location to place the branches. Place the anthurium branch in, exposing the base to the gel and moist environment. The branch will absorb nutrients and begin the rooting process. Finally, we chop the remaining aloe vera into thin slices to use in the next step. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button to support me and so you don't miss any orchid care tips. It's great to have you along on this journey. Next, we prepare a glass container. Then, we put the processed aloe vera into the glass container. Next, we continue with the next step to complete the branch nursery solution. Next, we will add rice, a very effective source of natural nutrients. Rice grains contain high levels of B vitamins, minerals, and starch, which help stimulate tissue recovery, nourish roots, and promote the growth of anthurium branches during the nursery period. We will use 3 spoons of rice. This amount is just enough to create a stable nutritional environment without causing excess. Next, we will add 500 milliliters of warm water. Warm water temperature helps activate nutrients in rice and aloe vera, supporting the nutrient extraction process faster and more effectively. After adding water, we gently stir the mixture so that the nutrients from the rice and aloe vera begin to dissolve. Next, Let the mixture rest for about an hour to help the water cool naturally and the active ingredients to be optimally activated before using it on the Anthurium plant. After an hour, the aloe vera and rice mixture has completely cooled. We continue to stir well again to maximize the nutrients. Next, gently filter out the residue. Retaining the essence water, this is a great source of natural nutrients to help the Anthurium plant recover and grow healthily. So we have obtained a pure aloe vera rice solution, very rich in natural vitamins and minerals. Before that, the branch has been inserted into the aloe vera flesh and has absorbed enough nutrients and natural moisture, helping the branch stay fresh and rich in vitality. Now, we prepare a cup of nutritional water synthesized from aloe vera and rice. Next, use a soft cotton pad. Soak the solution evenly and gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium flower branch. This step helps remove dirt and mold, and also helps nutrients penetrate deep into the branches, supporting the recovery process and stimulating future germination. After cleaning, we proceed to insert the Anthurium branch into the nutrient cup so that the base of the branch continues to absorb minerals and vitamins optimally. We will leave the branches in the solution for about 25 minutes so that the nutrients can completely absorb, helping the branches stay healthy and ready for the next stage of growing. With the remaining nutrients, we will continue to use them to take care of the Anthurium plants growing in the garden. First, prepare a clean spray bottle, then pour in the nutrient water. Next, gently spray evenly onto the leaves of the Anthurium plant. Be sure to spray both the top and bottom of the leaves. Spraying nutrients in this way helps clean dirt, while nutrients penetrate through the capillaries on the leaves, helping the plant absorb vitamins and minerals, thereby increasing resistance, making the leaves green and growing strongly. One very important thing. We only spray nutrients on leaves. Absolutely do not spray directly on flowers. Because if sprayed on flowers, they will easily get waterlogged and wilt faster. With this natural nutrient mixture, you only need to apply it twice a month to maintain optimal health for your Anthurium plant. Now we will prepare a clean watering can and put the nutrient water inside. Then, gently water directly the base, substrate, and root system of the Anthurium plant. This helps the plant absorb nutrients from the roots, nourish the stem, nourish the leaves, and support the flower formation process. To increase absorption efficiency, we will soak the pot for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, lift the plant out and return it to the growing area. During this recovery period, place the plant in a ventilated, shady, and lightly lit place. Scattered light will help plants photosynthesize without heat shock or leaf burn. Completely avoid direct sunlight shining on the plant. Completely avoid direct sunlight. Maintain a regular care regime, add nutrients once every 2 weeks, and on normal days spray mist to keep the leaves and roots moist. When the substrate is dry, water about every 3 days to ensure stable humidity to help the plant grow healthily. After about 25 minutes of soaking the base of the Anthurium branch in the nutrient solution, the plant has had time to absorb the necessary amount of nutrients. At this time, we gently lift the branches out of the solution and let them dry naturally. In the next step, we will prepare a plastic pot with good ventilation and drainage to ensure the root environment is always airy, an important condition for the Anthurium to grow healthily. Next, use a layer of moss that has been treated to be free of fungus. Moss retains moisture very well and helps the young roots to grow quickly. Spread a layer of loose porous moss on the bottom of the pot, then gently place the Anthurium branch in a fixed position. Then, cover the moss around the base to create stable humidity for the plant. Next, we prepare another pot with ventilation holes, upside down on top like a natural roof. This method helps limit insect invasion while creating a humid but airy environment, very ideal for the Anthurium branch to stimulate rooting. Use clamps to fix both sides to prevent the wind from moving or drying out the nursery environment. Place the pot in a shady, airy area with gentle light. Absolutely do not leave it in direct sunlight. After each week, check the humidity if the moss is dry. Use a spray bottle to lightly mist the surface to maintain the necessary humidity. With this process, the Anthurium branch will gradually stabilize, stimulate roots and grow healthily in the most natural environment. After 4 weeks of proper care, our Anthurium has shown very positive growth. The nursery branch has grown strong roots. White roots spread around the substrate and a new shoot has appeared, proving that the plant has adapted well and begun to form a new generation. When checking, we see that the young leaves are plump, shiny, and the roots are strong. This shows that the plant is growing steadily and strongly. With persistent care and dedication, an Anthurium branch that seemed to have only decorative value when it was almost withered has now continued to give new life. That shows the great potential for propagation when taking advantage of the right stage of the flower branch. After the roots and buds have stabilized like this, we will gently remove the plant from the nursery substrate and transfer it to a new pot so that the plant can continue to develop more completely. When the roots and leaves are strong, the Anthurium will grow extremely strongly and soon form a beautiful and sustainable mature plant. Next, we will prepare the growing medium for The ingredients include black sand, a common construction sand. You can use black sand or yellow sand. In addition, we use processed coconut fiber, which can be shredded fiber, sawdust, or burnt rice husks. The mixing ratio will be 50% sand and 50% coconut fiber. This combination helps the growing medium to be loose and airy, but still retains moisture very well for the Anthurium roots. Then, we mix the mixture well to create an ideal environment for the plant to grow healthily and take root quickly. Next, we prepare a pot with drainage holes. Fill the growing medium about 1/2 to 2/3 of the pot. Then place the Anthurium in the middle, keeping the base upright. For small plants, you should add a support stick to keep the plant from tilting or falling when the roots are not firmly attached. For small plants, you should add a support stick to keep the plant from tilting or falling when the roots are not firmly attached. After fixing the plant, we fill the growing medium around the base and gently tap the pot wall so that the growing medium compresses evenly and hugs the roots better. Once planted, the plant will lie very neat, straight and airy at the base, ideal conditions for root development. At this stage, we will mist to keep it moist, using clean water. Maintain misting every 3 days to provide moisture without causing waterlogging. This type of substrate does not need to be watered regularly. Just spray lightly on the leaves and surface of the substrate to help the plant stabilize and take root. In addition, once a week we can spray a light nutrient solution to supplement nutrients for the plant. On average, using organic fertilizer or nutrient solution 2 to 3 times a month will help the plant stay healthy, have thick shiny leaves and strong root development. After that, we will mix the fertilizer solution to continue taking care of the plant in the later stages of development. Next, we will prepare the nutrient solution. I use aloe vera combined with rice water. This is a natural source of nutrients, helping to increase resistance, stimulate strong root and leaf growth, and keep the plant healthy. Use a spray bottle to lightly spray the nutrient solution onto all the leaves and the surface of the substrate. Spraying evenly like this will help the plant adapt quickly. Supplement the necessary moisture and nutrients, from which the Anthurium will take root well and grow exceptionally. After spraying nutrients on the leaves, we continue to water directly at the base of the plant. Prepare a clean watering can, pour in the aloe vera and rice water nutrient solution, then water evenly around the base. Providing nutrients directly to the substrate like this will help the roots absorb quickly, stimulate strong root growth, healthy plants, and better new shoots. With the nutrient care regimen, we do it regularly about 2 to 3 times a month to ensure the plant is always moist and nutritious. On normal days, we maintain misting about every 3 days, helping to keep the leaves and substrate moist. If we observe that the substrate is drier due to the weather, we add moisture immediately so that the plant does not lack water, ensuring the growth process takes place continuously. During this period, place the plant in a shady, airy place with natural light. This is the optimal condition to help the Anthurium recover, take root quickly, have healthy green leaves, and develop sustainably. After 2 months of proper care, our Anthurium has grown remarkably. The stem is tall and strong. The foliage is wide and glossy green, showing that the plant is growing very well. The flowers and leaves develop harmoniously, showing the strong vitality of the plant. Observing the roots, you will see that the root system has spread out, clinging tightly and spreading across the surface of the substrate. The roots are strong, white and thick, proving that the plant absorbs nutrients very well. The stem is larger, stronger, and at the same time begins to produce many new shoots. Each shoot has a fresh, thick and healthy young leaf. New shoots continuously appear. New leaves grow green and full of vitality. With a strong root system and young shoots growing together, the Anthurium is entering the optimal growth stage, ready for the next brilliant flower season. I hope this video helps you take better care of your home. If you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming simple and natural orchid care tips.